Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create vampire teeth in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to choose makeup with the mouth open like this, and then we're going to create this vampire teeth. So guys, if you want to create vampire teeth, you need to put on this ribbon, this one. And then you're going to change the toggle. Wait, let me select this ribbon. And then you can choose toggle 3. And then you're going to color it white. And then you can follow my adjustment. This is adjustment for the position. And then rotate. And also scale. And after you follow my adjustment or copy my adjustment, you will have this vampire teeth. And then for the color, actually you can make it black or make it red. It's up to you, but for me, I'm just going to make it white like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create vampire teeth and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!